Hello and good evening, German WolfPack. This is the German Wolf. What is going on, guys? Not much is going on tonight. I am watching SmackDown Live, and I'm having a Saddle Steel Pepsi Max. It's very good. So, anyways, this is what I did. Well, this is what I did today. Uh, First, I went to the press conference for the Thunder. Two, we got a new affiliation deal with the New Jersey Devils and the Binghamton Devils, and our unofficial handshake deal with the Syracuse Crunch and the Tampa Bay Lightning. I'm happy for that because I like both teams. Which I said in a previous video, I used to go out to Syracuse a lot, and I would be, I will be with my uncle, and I used to go out to a Syracuse Crunch hockey game. It was fun. I And then after, if the game got done like a little bit early or something, we would go to, well, I don't like to say this, but I want to say it. I went to a place called, in the mall, called Hooters. 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 Me and my uncle went there, and it was a good, it was awesome because after the when the Syracuse Crunch won, me and my uncle would go there and get like a snack or something. Like once I got like bonus wings and a beer, and then my uncle says to me, why are you having a beer? I'm like, I'll be like, I am used to it, and I have my ID with me, and then my uncle says, that'd be okay, and then I got introduced to my personal favorite food, Chinese, Chinese, Chinese food, by my uncle. It, when I got hooked on that, it was good. I love the wonton soup I had. I had the chicken chow mein with the noodles. It was good. That's how I got hooked on Chinese food from my uncle. Anyways, and I am this Friday, I am going to see, hold on a minute. Alright, I am going with my cousin to see the sequel to Annabelle, which I said I love that movie series, so me and my cousin are going to see the first showing of that, but I don't know where that I want to go and see that. Excuse me for 1 sec. Figure 20. Anyways, I also want to give one shout out to Ding Cooney though, because I was at the press conference today and I saw him. I looked at him and I said, I didn't go up to him, but like I want to say, come here, dude, I want to talk to you. You know, but I think he was with his mother or something. I don't know, maybe his sister. But I'm watching SmackDown Live, and it's like Lana versus Charlotte. this is a one-sided match, but in my opinion, Charlotte Flair is gonna win this match against Lana. Think about it. To me, Lana can't even wrestle, so that's why I have to go with Charlotte. So, anyways, back to the subject. Um, uh, so, I mean, like, Daniel Cooney to me is awesome. I like his videos a lot so far. Um, uh, and I look back and he was given a question to, I think, to one of the coalition members. Um, but uh, for that, I would give him credit. I want to give Daniel Cooney credit for his question for at the press conference. He did good. Um, so I just want to say to him personally, that he did a good. He was no. Let's put it this way. He did awesome at the press conference. So I might give him a 10 for nailing that question for one of the coalition members. So he did good. So, anyways, and I told you guys that Charlotte was gonna win, and she did over Lana. That's why Lana can't wrestle. So, anyways, I was talking about a movie with my cousin. I don't know if you guys like the Conjuring and the Annabelle series. I do because it's my favorite movie. You know what I'm gonna do for you guys? This is gonna be cool. How about I will show you my personal favorite, the top 5 or the top 10 movies that I like, and I will show them off to you. If you want me to do that, please leave a comment below. And by the way, I was talking to one of my sources today, and I cannot reveal her name or team name, but she told me something about my subscribers. But I'm not gonna say what she actually said because I just don't want to, because it is like I'm being, let's put it this way, I'm being hooked. Excuse me, I am being hooked up with this team. I'm not gonna say what team it is, but I can say this: I'm getting some sweet merchandise from them. So I am the German Wolf. Of course that will fall. Alright, excuse me. I meant to say was, I am the German Wolf. He's the Alpha Beast. Okay, Alpha Beast. What do we say at the end of the video? Hold on, I have to fix my eye drops here, because they fell over, so I have to pick them up. Hold on, I have to get the Alpha Beast up here. There you go. Hello, German WolfPack. Favorite, like, and share, and subscribe to the German Wolf. and to the German WolfPack. And by the way, German WolfPack, the German wolf is now known as the Lord of the WolfPack. Bow down to the new king. And I want you to do that in this video. Bow down and all hail the most powerful king of them all. You know who I'm talking about? Me, the German wolf, is now your king. Now, if you are not done with me, your Lord and Savior of the WolfPack, and the Alpha Beast himself, we say this to you: bow down to the new Lord of Darkness, and that is the German wolf. And if you do not watch this video, the Alpha Beast will be on the hunt for you, and he will take you to he will send you to Dr. Victor Frankenstein. Right, Alpha Beast? Yes, I will do that if you don't watch this video, WolfPack. Alright guys, the moon is out. We need to wolf out. Ow! I am the Lord. I am the wolf. And you be very afraid of the wolf himself, the Lord of the WolfPack. Prepare for your demise, WolfPack. Right, Alpha Beast? Yes. We will come and get you. You see what I mean? I take everything in this vlog very seriously. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notifications so you can be informed of the WolfPack.